Namaste students. Today I am going to make you learn about the numericals based on the spherical mirrors. Before starting with the numericals, I'll give you the few main concepts behind the mirrors, that where we kept an object and which side the object or the image is formed and which is positive and the negative based on the Cartesian system. This side is concave mirror. This side I am writing about convex mirror. Concave mirror is of this shape. This back side is a painted one, silver polished, and reflection is from this one side. Fine. This is the pole P. This is the focus, and this is the center of the curvature. For convex mirror, this side is the polished one. Reflection will take place this side, that incident parallel ray, and then it seems to be the path toward the focus reflection. If now for this convex mirror, this is the focus and this is the center of curvature. Fine. Now this is a parallel ray of light. After reflection will pass through focus. It seems to be the pass through focus and it will go in a reflected manner like this. Now for this concave mirror, U is all the distance again to be measured from the pole, or considering that P pole is a point of origin. Here also this is the point P, that is a pole. So here U is negative, that is on the left side. V is negative, that is on the left side. Fine. And F is equal to negative, focus on the also left side. V is equal to negative, also V is equal to negative for the 5 cases, and only for the one case where the object is between the pole and the focus, for that V is positive. Fine. And for convex mirror, U negative, it means U for both cases are negative. V is all image is formed behind the mirror, that is on the right side, so always positive, and the focal length, that is all inside, so that is also positive. Now comes the mirror formula. Mirror formula is that is for the both, that is 1 by F is equal to 1 by image distance, object distance, plus 1 by image distance. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Now this is a formula for the magnification. Magnification is again height of an image upon height of an object. There is one more formula for the magnification, that is minus V by U. Now if magnification comes negative, these are the points to be remembered. If magnification is negative, image is real, and if magnification is positive, so image will be virtual and erect. Also you have to remember the table which is drawn on the base of the position of an object and position of the image in case of concave mirror or convex mirror. Now numerical says we have to find the size, nature and the position of an image formed when an object of 1 centimeter. Object of 1 centimeter means height of an object, either we write HO or we write H1, that is equal to 1 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. It means U is equal to 15 centimeter. See, U is equal to 15 in both the cases, whether it is till now we have not read about that it is a concave, so U is always negative. So from a concave mirror of focal length 10. Now, as it is a concave mirror, so focal length is also be negative, that is minus 10. So f is given, u is given. For we have to find the position. So first of all, position means we have to find the v by using mirror formula. So mirror formula says 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. We have to find the value of v, so we'll shift u other side. So this will become 1 of f minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. Now substitute the value. What is f? That is minus 10. So this will become minus 1 by 10. Now u is minus 15. One minus is already there and we'll put minus 15. So minus of minus makes plus. So this is 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v. Now I'll draw a line. I'll do here. So 1 by v is equal to, it's 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. Now let us find LCM. 15 and 10, LCM is 30. 15 2s are 2 1s are 2. 10 3s are 3 1s are 3. So 1 by v is equal to 2 minus 3 by 30, or 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 30, or v is equal to minus 30. This is centimeter. Now v is equal to minus 30 means it is a concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. Now v minus, it means image will form on the left side. Now as the image is, now as v is equal to minus, fine, negative, therefore what is the nature, this is a position, fine, this is a position, and what is the nature? Nature is image is real and inverted. Image is real and inverted. Fine. We have got the position, that is v. We have got the nature, that is real and inverted. Now we have to find the size of an image, that is height of an image. Now for that we apply the formula, that is magnification. We know that magnification is equal to height of an image upon height of an object. Also magnification is equal to minus v by u. Okay, so it means from this equation we can write that hi upon ho is equal to minus v by u. Now substitute the value of v, u and ho. So this is hi upon ho. What is ho? That is h1, that is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. And this is minus. What is v? Now v is minus 30. And what is u? U is minus 15. Minus 15. So 1 minus of, and 1 minus will cancel here. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So hi is equal to, this 1 centimeter will go other side. This is minus 2 multiplied by 1. So hi is equal to minus 2 centimeter. See, hi is minus 2. It means height is minus, and minus means that image is inverted. Fine. So that's why the height of an image will be minus 2. Now next example is, how far should an object be placed from the pole of a converging mirror? Now converging mirror is, that is a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. So first of all, how far object will be placed? It means we have to find the u, that is a question mark. Focal length is given as a 20 centimeter and the focal length of a converging lens is minus. So that will be minus 20 centimeter. To form real and real image of size 1/4 of the object. It means if we compare the size of an image of an object with an object, so that is magnification, that is equal to 1/4. Now, so what we have to do, this is magnification is 1/4. So if we talk about magnification, as one more thing, it is a real image. So magnification is minus 1/4. 4. Okay, so what we have to find out, magnification is equal to, that is minus v by u. We know magnification is minus v by u. So what is magnification? That is 1 by 4 is equal to minus v by u. Minus cancel with the minus. So we can write that v is equal to u by 4. We are writing v in terms of u because we have to find the value of u. Fine. Now we got a v. Now we have to apply the mirror formula. That is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Now what is f? That is 20. So that is minus 1 upon minus 20 is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Now the value of v is u by 4. It means this will be u will come denominator, 4 will go in numerator. This is simple addition. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 by u is minus 1 by 20, or just cross multiply. U is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 20. Minus 5 multiplied by 20, and that will come out to be 100. So u is equal to minus 100 centimeter. Now minus sign shows that is on the left side of the pole, that is on the left side of the reflecting surface of a converging mirror, that is a concave mirror. Now next numerical is based on convex mirror, that is diverging mirror. Question says an object is kept at a distance of 5 centimeter. So distance in both the cases negative, so u is equal to minus 5 centimeter in front of convex mirror of focal length. Sorry, I forgot to write the focal length. The focal length is given as a 10. Its the focal length is 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is focal length, that is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Sorry, this is a convex mirror. Convex mirror is of this shape. Fine. This is the reflecting part, that is the inside bulging out part. Reflection will take place. Fine, and its focal length is always positive. So focal length is 10. We have to calculate the position, magnification, and nature. Now first of all, let us find the position. That is, we have to find the v. Apply say mirror formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. F is positive, so it's 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v, and this is plus 1 by minus 5. This minus will go up and this plus will change into minus, and remove this minus sign. Fine. So we have to find the value of v. So it's 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 will shift, left hand side will become plus. Now let's take LCM. LCM is 10. 10 ones are 1 ones are 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2. So 1 by v is equal to 3 by 10. I'll write here. That is 1 by v is equal to 3 by 10, or v is equal to 10 by 3 centimeter. Fine. And if we convert, this will become 3.33 or 3.3 centimeter. Now v is positive. V is positive means if it is a principal axis, it will, and this is a pole, it will form on the right side. Fine. This image will form on the right side of the pole. Now let's find the magnification m. So magnification is equal to minus v by u. Fine. So this is this sign of minus v. What is v? That is plus 3.3. And what is u? U is a minus 5. So this is minus 5. Minus and minus makes plus. Minus and minus gives you plus. And when divide 3.3 by 5, we get that is 0.56 or 35 0.66. Now again, as the magnification is of the plus, so image is a virtual image. Fine. So we have got the position, we have got the magnification and nature. Let us write nature, otherwise we got that magnification is plus, so that is a virtual and erect. Virtual and erect image. Now one numerical I'm going to do based on the refractive index. First of all, you should know what is the refractive index. That is a ratio of the speed of a light in medium 1 upon medium 2. If I write the formula, that is refractive index is equal to speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2. It means light is entering from medium 1 and going to medium 2. Very important thing is, if a refractive index is more, speed of light is less, and vice versa. That is, if refractive index is less, the speed of light is more in that case. Now here the speed of light in air is given as a 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. This is a medium X, in which the speed of light is given as 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and there is another medium Y, its speed is 2.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now we have to calculate refractive index, air and X. It means this side is written always medium 1, this side medium 2, this side medium 1, this is medium 2, this is medium 1, and this is medium 2. It means we have to find the refractive index of medium X. This is refractive index of medium X. So for first case, it's air and X. It means speed of light in air. That light is coming from medium 1, that is air. Speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium X. Fine. What is the speed of light in air? That is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second upon 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. 10 raised to power 8 and 10 raised to power 8 got cancelled. Meter per second cancel. Refractive index is a ratio, so no unit. And this we have got as a 3 by 2. We divide, we got 1.5. Now, similarly for second case, that is air and then refractive index of medium Y with respect to air. Now here what we do, speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium Y. Now we'll substitute the value here, that is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second upon it is 2.5 this is 2.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Again 10 raised to power 8 will get cancelled, unit also got cancelled. So if we this becomes 30 by 25. It's a 5 6za, it's a 5 5za. If we divide 6 by 5, we will get 1.2. Again no unit because of it is a ratio. Now we will find the third case. Now the third case is refractive index of medium Y with respect to X. So it means X is the first medium and Y is the second medium. So I have written speed of light in medium X upon speed of light in medium Y. So now substitute the value. In X, value is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and in Y it comes out to be 2.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Again 10 raised to power 8 got cancelled, unit also got cancelled. This becomes 2 upon 2.5, or this is removing the decimal, this will be 20 upon 25. Let us divide with 5. 5 4za, 5 5za. and we divide it 4 by 5, answer comes out to be 0.8. So it means refractive index of medium Y with respect to X is 0.8.